my name is Steve, and I'm going to review the Marcy Smith machine. It's the model MD9010G. As you can see, this product has a lot of different features on it. So depending on your workout needs, it pretty much can handle the majority of them. Seat is adjustable. See down there the knob. Different types of workout for arms, legs. This is adjustable and completely removable when you want to do leg workouts. There are a couple different parts here. You have these stops for the bar, so you can put your bar up when you want to do chest press, things like that. Other arm and back workouts that connect to the chains up here that are connected to the cabling system. You can store all your weights on both sides, actually. So you have one over there, you have one over here, and back here is weight system with cabling for the bars. You can see you also have these for flies and such. So you can move the bench back. You also have this down here. So my son and I work out a lot with all the different types of parts that it has. So overall, this really can do the majority of your workout with all its different sections that it can do. Definitely recommend. Just wanted to show one more time all the different parts that it has. It's a great product.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I remember you. If you remember